Have you ever imagined living in a house that is built around a living tree? Not as a garden detail, but as the central element of the architecture and of the experience of living? This is the house around the tree, designed by Otro Estudio in Rafaela, Argentina, a residence that doesn't simply preserve nature, it incorporates it as an essential part of the home. The site's configuration, between two streets of different urban hierarchies, further shaped the way the spaces are articulated. One entry courtyard opens toward a public linear park, preparing the visitor for arrival. Another courtyard connects directly to the residential street, drawing the eye toward the social areas of the house. Living in this house becomes an experience of constant awareness. The movement of the sun across the leaves, the sound of wind through the branches, the dialogue between open and enclosed spaces. All of this transforms the house into something that not only shelters, but allows you to perceive the world in a direct and sensory way. Here, interior and exterior are not simply connected, they are interwoven. Courtyards and in-between spaces emerge as domestic landscapes, creating unexpected encounters with the natural environment, almost as if the house had grown rather than been built. On the site, mature trees already spoke of life, shade, and memory. They were not obstacles, but spatial narratives asking to become part of the architecture. Among them, one tree in a nearly central position cast a singular shadow, an invitation. It was this natural gesture of light and shade, the scent of leaves, and the living presence of the trunk that ultimately defined the entire project. The house is organized around this tree, literally. The architects arranged the different areas of the home in direct relationship with its canopy, an open social zone connected to the outdoors, a two-story service volume that allows circulation and views above the tree, and a private area where the bedrooms are located. Between two tree canopies, an algarobo and a ceibo, a triangular body of water finds its place, creating a calm, reflective surface that echoes the living presence of the surrounding trees. The result is an architecture that doesn't try to dominate the landscape. Instead, it engages with what was already here: the trees, the light, the shadows, and the passing of time through the seasons. This residence is more than an architectural form. It is a reflection on how to inhabit the landscape, how to live with what is already here rather than against it.